Alright, today we're gonna unbox The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom Edition Nintendo Switch. Let's get to it. Sick. Alright. Oh, she's beautiful. Hold on, before we do this stuff, take you on a little tour of the box. Just put that back all together. Probably should have done this from the start. Alright. Front, left, right. A little bit of damage. I'm not tripping too much. Top, standard. Here. She looks beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And then bottom. Pretty standard. Alright, back to the box opening. Alright, set this aside for right now. Have a standard HDMI connector. Power adapter. I really wish that they would make these kind of like special versions as well. Like, imagine how cool this would be, Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom themed. It's kind of a shame that they don't customize these. Feels about the same as every other one. I've never actually noticed this little, I don't know what this would be for. My mind is completely blinking. What would that be for? Alright, well, continuing on. Woohoo, little special edition to, see, they customize these, but they don't customize, you know, the fucking, the freaking little, I don't know what you call this, honestly, but they customize these little attachments for the Joy-Cons whenever you're playing individually. They could have done something for this little dongle right here. They could have done something, and that would have been so cool. But all right, so setting that aside, we're gonna get to the dock now. All right, taking off the little plastic wrap, little bubble wrap. Satisfying. Throw that away. We're not here for that. All right, let me set this box aside real quick. I'll put everything back together once the video ends, but you know, for cinematic purposes. Set that off to the side. All right. Ooh. Sheesh. Let me see if you can actually see that. Look how beautiful that looks. Look how gorgeous that looks. That's the front. You got the top-down view, obviously. You got the back, just little accents, nothing like too crazy. I should probably hold it like this, huh? Little accents right here, bottom standard, and then ports. Back here you should have, yep, you have an Ethernet cable, HDMI adapter, and the power adapter. Pretty standard for your Nintendo Switch. All right, that's the dock. Moving on to the console itself. Oh, let me do the Joy-Cons first. Let me do the Joy-Cons first. Ooh, that's way too. All right. Oh my goodness, they look absolutely gorgeous. They look absolutely gorgeous. Just the gold accents. Not even accents, the gold like coloring with the green accents and white. I absolutely in love with how these look. 10 out of 10 would buy again. Alright. clean up that area a little bit. Next up is going to be the console itself. Pretty standard, you know. You got your 7-inch OLED screen. You got then your dock with your LAN port, and then for some reason on the box they advertise an adjustable stand. You know, what a flex, but yeah. So, top-down view of the screen. Then you got just your little volume adapters and stuff. Flipping it over, just a bunch of asymmetric circles. It's so minimal, but like it looks really nice. Has obviously a regular kickstand for your OLED models, not like the original. But everything else looks pretty well. Let's put it all together and see how it looks. And that's the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch OLED Tears of the Kingdom edition. Thank you guys for watching.